Welcome back to Fixing My Subaru, episode 723. Today we're working on this exhaust gasket right here. So this is where the downpipe meets the catback. And some crazy person decided it would be a good idea to put like a truck gasket and some type of high temp seal, and I don't know. It was me. I was the person who did that. Oh, look at it. It's awful. I'll tell him myself. So I do have some reasoning behind it. That gasket was what I had on the shelf downstairs. It happened to be 3-inch inside diameter, which is what the exhaust is. So I thought I would try it, see how long it lasted. It didn't last very long. So I got this Gasket thick boy gasket. There's a part number. So I don't know if you can tell by the package, but this one is a little thicker than most, and the reason being is, let me show you once I get this thing apart, but where the catback meets the downpipe, the flanges, they're two different brands, so the flanges aren't quite the same. I'm hoping this kind of eliminates the leak right there. I don't really think it causes any issues as far as like O2 sensor, because it is after. The flange is after the downstream O2 sensor. So I don't think it's going to affect anything as far as like check engine lights, but it is also right underneath my driver's seat, so I do get an exhaust smell. So let's pull it apart here and see what it looks like. So it is pulled apart. You can see the old gasket here, not in the greatest shape. Ugh. Yeah, it kind of just fell apart. Did its job for a minute, but let me get this cleaned up a little better. We'll put the new gasket on here and see how good it seals up. Alright, so most of the gasket material is gone, but I don't know if you can tell by that flange, it's not exactly flat, and I think that's probably part of my sealing issue. That's on the cob side. That's what this Gasket is supposed to fix, where it's multiple layers of steel if there's any imperfections. I'm still going to try to straighten it out a little bit though. So, flattened out the flange. Here's the gasket out of the box. You can see all the layers of steel on that. Supposed to help with any imperfections on the two surfaces, so we shall see. Let's bolt it back together. Alright, let's see what that does. Also found my source of the rattle. Looks like an exhaust hanger decided to leave the chat, so I'm gonna act like that didn't happen and see if this exhaust leak is fixed. Sorry, it's smoldering hot out here. Yeah, that's about it. Hopefully we fix the exhaust. And I noticed that my steering rack also needs replaced. See the big old drips right there? Subaru, the gift that keeps on giving.